the Court of Appeal settled emphatically the recent controversial constitutional amendment proposals and processes. This marks the second time our courts have pronounced themselves on this matter. On both occasions, our courts were bold, clear, and unmistakable. Without any doubt, the court brought the voice of Wanjiku to life and called on us to move on to the most pressing needs of our citizens and our nation. The court decision reaffirms that Kenya is a country governed by the rule of law, not the rule of men, where the Constitution and the sovereignty of the people are supreme and not the political elite. However, no one has lost and no one has won. It is a win-win for both the people and the Constitution. The people have won, the Constitution has won, and the rule of law has prevailed. I laud the courage of the judges who have bravely defended the Constitution. God bless them. In this spirit, it is time for us, especially the political class, to set down our battle standards and shed our partisan armor and unite in actualizing the aspirations of ordinary citizens. It is time for us to join hands and pursue the priorities of Wananchi with the same urgency, vigor that has been dedicated to the BBI. We must make up for all the time lost, resources spent, and opportunities foregone in the knowledge that time is of the essence. For truly, it is never too late to do the right thing. I therefore plead with all leaders to harness the spirit of bipartisanship and direct our minds and energy towards efforts that positively affect the well-being of all our citizens. I strongly urge that our starting point in this endeavor is to apply our best collective efforts, mobilize and commit adequate resources towards the decisive management of the COVID-19 crisis in order to free up the country, return our people to work,